Guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Trust and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to send message to a WhatsApp number without saving up their number on your phone. Now, this is actually what I mean. So on your WhatsApp, to start a chat with somebody is either already if you have already been chatting with the person, or you want to start a new chat, you click on the plus icon and then you can see all of your chats right here, right? Then you can also search on the person, you click to start a conversation, right? But then to start a new chat and you do not have the person on your contact list, this is actually what you need to do. Click on this plus icon and click on you, which is actually your contact or this particular contact that you are making use of. Or you can just click on the search and then you type me or you type you. It's going to display your contact. So just chat with yourself. Now you actually have to send the number right here. So I'm going to come right here and go to my call list and look for that particular number that called me that I do not have on my WhatsApp. This is the number right here. So I'm going to copy out the number and then I'm going to come right here. I will paste the number and then I'll send it to myself. Now, after you send the number to yourself, just click on that particular number. It's going to load up and now you can see where it says chat with the phone number. You click on chat with and you start chatting with the person, and you can also see the person's profile image, right? So let's just go ahead and send a message. And you can click right here, you can see the person's profile image and the person's name displaying right here. So this is actually how to send message to somebody that's called you and you do not have their you did not save their number on your phone. So guys, I hope this is helpful. Please let me know if it helped and I will see you on my next video. Stay safe and peace.